So in today's video we are making red sauce pasta. For making the red sauce pasta, first of all we will boil the pasta. For boiling it, we will take some water in the pan, and when the water comes to boil we will add some refined oil and we'll mix it. After that we'll add pasta and mix it well, and we'll close it for 15 to 20 minutes. On the other hand, we'll prepare sauce. For making the red sauce, first of all we will put the water on the gas for boiling. After that, we'll take tomato. Here I have taken 3 tomatoes, but I will suggest you to take 4 tomatoes, because in the last, when the sauce was completed, we got the shortage of the sauce. So I will suggest you take 4 tomatoes. After that, we will cut the tomatoes from the upside into a little bit and we'll put it in the water. With tomato, we will put 3 red chilli also. Let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, we will check our pasta. Yes, our pasta has been done. So let's strain it and let it cool down. After that, here we have taken out our tomatoes, which has just done, and then we will let it cool down, and after that we will peel off its skin and we'll mix it. Okay? Here, as you can see, we have made it fine paste. After that, we will cut some vegetables. So here I have taken 3 to 4 garlic cloves and some onions. Some means I have taken here 2 onions. We will chop the garlic finely. After that, we will cut the onions, and for onion we will cut it in square shape, not finely or not in long shape, but we will cut in square shape like this, as you can see. We have chopped the garlic finely and the onion in cube shapes. After that, we will put the pan in stove and let the pan heat. As you can see, the pan has started to heat. We will put some oil in it and let the oil have some heat, and after that we will put the garlic in the oil mix it and then we'll put onion. We'll stir it. When the onion starts to come a little bit golden or dark golden, like brownish type, then we will put the sauce which we had made it earlier, tomato and chili sauce. We'll put that sauce in this and we'll mix it. Let it cook until it starts leaving its oil a little bit. As you can see, the oil has started to lift from the side. We will put some tomato sauce in it and we'll mix it nicely. Now we'll put some salt in it. Put the salt as per your taste. Here I have taken 1.5 spoon of salt. We'll mix it. As you can see, the water of the paste has just soaked. So now we'll put a very little bit of water in it and we'll mix it. We'll left it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes, and when it's come to boil, we'll put the pasta which we have boiled earlier. As you can see, it has started to boil. We'll mix it again, and after that we'll put the pasta in it. You can see the pasta has just got a little too sticky, but there is nothing to worry. We'll break it, and it will not break into very small pieces. It will be in large pieces only. We'll mix it. See how nice the color is coming. How is it looking in the camera, but it was looking so tempting and delicious in front of that. After that, we'll put some tomato sauce from the top also, and we'll mix it nicely. Mix. And here our pasta is done. After that, we will serve it. We'll take it out in plate and serve. We'll serve it with a little bit of tomato sauce, tomato ketchup in the top, and yeah, it's ready. Ta-da! Make it in your own home and enjoy the pasta. Thank you.